Hi there, Stephen Olyniuk, Remax Performance Realty. And I get asked often if real estate's a great investment or is the stock market better. And I just thought I'd pull up a listing from Winnipeg and also talk about the stock market a little bit. And here's an interesting home that starting back in 1993. It's kind of beginning of the MLS system and and our data that goes back. And this is the same house. I've blocked out the MLS numbers. I blocked out the house. It is a house in Wolseley, and as you can see, in 1993, it came on the market at 84,900. Now, an X means it expired, an S means it was sold, and a W means that it was withdrawn for whatever reason. Okay, so let's go through what the market looked like. So it was on the market 84.9, 72.9. Then it actually sold in 1997 at 50, or reduced at 54.9, and it expired again. It sold in 97 later on at $50,000. And I did check, it was the same owner between these years. So sells at $50,000 in 1997. Then in 2003, it sells at $98,000. Then in 2005, another jump in real estate, and it sold at $159,000. For whatever reason, though, something must have happened because it actually sold again a few months later at $149,000. Again, same owner. So let's call it $149,000 where it sold at. It was listed in 2007 at $189, but then was withdrawn and didn't sell. But in 2013, it did sell at $289,000. And then in 2021, it sold for $400,100. So my next question is that what would you do if you took $50,000 in 1997 and put it into the New York Stock Exchange, and what would you have? So I put that question into ChatGPT just to see what it would do, and I'll go down and scroll down and show you what the results are. Now, also keep in mind that in 1997, you would have had to have that $50,000 to be able to invest it in the stock market. Whereas buying real estate, you don't need to have that $50,000, or would it, at that time, you wouldn't have had to have that $50,000. You could have borrowed the money. Yes, you're going to pay your interest rates and everything. Not a fair example between cash and not cash, but it would get you the start, right? So this is the question I put in there. If you have $50,000 in the New York Stock Exchange in 1907, how much would I have? And I did say now, and I don't know why that did determine. So it goes through determining all about the New York Stock Exchange. If you had invested $50,000 in 1997, and the average exchange, or the average rate that return could having trouble speaking all of a sudden. The average estimate for return on investment, 7 to 10% per year. So if they use 7%, and that's what the calculation invested until 2024, here is the formula that's gone through, and the future value comes in at $193,450. Now, gives you your little bit of information at the bottom, kind of the warning, please note simplified calculations and that market values could vary, kind of the disclaimers. But really an interesting part, and my question was, would you do better in real estate? Would you do better in the stock market? In this case, you would do better in the stock market, or in real estate, not the stock market. So let me know what questions you have about real estate. Would love to have a conversation with you. Are you thinking of buying? Good time. As of today, February, Winnipeg still a great place to be buying. February 2024. In the Toronto markets, the Vancouver markets, seeing a lot of multiple offers action, and I think we're going to see that happen in the market or right away in Winnipeg too as well. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. That's just my opinion, and this is my opinion personally, and it's not the opinion of Remax Performance Realty or Remax Canada. If you have any real estate related questions, let's have a conversation. If there's anything real estate related you'd like to see on a video, just let us know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.